Oh yeah, it will be enough. Yeah, and then you do.
My last word.
There you go. Yeah, you have to be patient. Yeah.
No.
And what is this called? Green, red pepper.
Yeah, red pepper.
Yeah. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So this one is green pepper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, what is that?
Wash your fingers.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I put there. You mix all of them. Good.
I do.
Yeah, put them down together.
Yeah, that's like red pepper.
Yeah, this is green pepper.
And I like this one.
Oh, that's enough. That's enough. Yeah.
Not me. I like this. Why do what?
Mm-hmm.
No. No. No, not easy, not easy.
It's hot.
It's hard to hold. Yeah. It's very hard.
Yeah. That's it hard. Like you're cutting, yeah, like that, yes. Cut, as you're cutting, cut, yeah. Cut. Yeah, I see. If you're cutting, cut. Cut. Yeah. It's okay, we'll blend it. We'll blend it together, it's okay. We'll blend it. And then you cut. You press and then you cut. 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 Yeah, when you cut it, it will cut. 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 The way I showed you. Cut. Cut. When you cut, you cut. Cut. Then you cut. Cut. Cut, cut, cut.
Ow.
That's it. There you go.
That one is my father.
I'll show you. Cut. Okay. Good. Good job. Beautiful. Okay. That is garlic. Say garlic.
No.
Garlic. Garlic.
No.
There's another one. Yes. You done?
Nothing about it.
Yeah. Yeah, like that. Good. Yeah, like that. Good. Okay. You're done. Say I'm done.
I'm done.
Look at them.
No,
Say
not
I'm done.
Done.
Okay, what are we doing? Now we're blending.
Yeah, it's done.
Okay, put all together.
What are you doing?
It will be enough. Oh yeah, it will be enough.
No. Oh, yeah.
After that, we put water.
Not water either.
Yeah.
I don't know about the water.
So we put water.
No. This is not
What have you
good.
put here?
Yeah,
Water. Say water.
water.
Yeah. So after that, we close it.
No, not water.
Yeah.
Blue.
And that we put there. Let's put there. There we go.
I tell
Okay,
you,
take it out now.
oh, I start water on. That's it. No. Oh my God.
It's ready.
This is crazy. Yeah.
It's ready.
How to
Tell them you're ready.
Ready.
Say, are you ready?
Ready.
Blended.
Ready.
Okay. Say, what are we cutting? Cutting meat, beef.
Give me what?
Say, I'm cutting beef.
Beef. Fried beef.
Yeah. Okay. And then you chuku. Yeah.
That's do it, Bobby.
like that.
Help
Yeah,
me.
you can try. Just try.
Mommy, help me.
Okay. Okay, do it again. Oh, this one we are done. Do this one. Yeah. Put there. Okay, here. Let's try this one now. You can try. Chiki. You hold here.
Just do it, Bobby.
Yeah, and then you do chiki. Yeah, you're cutting. Yeah, you see? You did it.
Yeah,
You
so
finished.
I first here.
Yeah. Okay, slowly. Slowly. Slowly.
Do one by one. No, one by one.
Sit down. Okay.
No.
Good now.
No. We all wanted.
Slowly.
That's wanted yet. Onion masses.
Yeah. You put onion and then what?
This one.
No. Continue. Continue.
No.
Continue. Mixing.
Hey, this one.
It's called what? Vegetable sauce?
Yeah.
Mm.
Hey, that's with the 5 cents.
Mm.
Do.
Okay, second part, yeah?
No. Oh, you made the mess. So
No, it didn't make a mess. It's okay.
you'll miss another one.
Mm.
Hey, do you think this is another one, dude? Oh, yeah.
There you go.
That's it.
And then you cover now. You cover it to let it cook, right? Uh-huh. What is called
White
this one?
pepper.
Which spice is this? It's called what?
Pepper.
Paprika.
Pepper.
Mm.
Yeah. That's one. Okay, that one.
Now what is that? Ginger.
Ginger.
Yeah.
Yes. That's all. See.
Does it come out?
One. Yeah.
Okay. That's ginger.
No,
Okay.
that's enough.
And there's salt.
Hey, how about that salt?
Just a little.
Hey.
Have to be careful. There you go. Thank you. And then you mix.
No, that is it. No, this is. So what are that for?
Okay.
So what are this? Oh no, this.
Mm. Okay, thank you. Now we wait. How many minutes we wait?
Oh, it's hours.